In this video, we're going to be talking about how to turn off email notifications for YouTube iPhone. So let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open your YouTube application. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on your profile icon right over here on the bottom right, and then click on the gear icon. Once you've done that, what you need to do is simply go ahead and select notifications right over here. And this is where you want to simply go ahead and turn off specific email types in order to go ahead and not want any activity on your channel or recommended videos. So all you need to do is simply toggle off the specific email types. So it is as simple as that. Turn off the recommended video, simply go ahead and turn off scheduled digest, subscriptions, and so on right over here. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.